Here we have the Bright GT889N with the 390H Assist Arm. At the front here you've got ergonomic 4 pedals, you've got the tilt back, adjust the clamp, the bead breaker, and then the spin for the turntable. This particular model is a 3-phase, so it's a dual speed. If you press down further, the second stage activates on that pedal and it spins faster. This one's also fitted with our 10 to 24 inch turntable and blast inflation. To use the inflation through the clamps, it's just a second stage pedal here on the side again. The first stage being for your regular inflation, which shows here via the gauge, and your quick clamp. Got handy storage compartments here, and also on the side here. Little ring there is for your 1 litre paste. The bead breaker here is adjustable as well. So you've got two-way adjustment, so in and out here, and then also in and out here. So you can do ultra wide tyres, or even your smaller little 10-12 inches. Around the back of the machine here, so for the assist arm, you've got an extra stabilizer pedal here, and then it's also bolted to the side of the machine and through to prevent as much movement as possible. The 390H being the strongest arm that Bright's made. So you've got your roller here, locks in place, bring that out. You've also got another roller, secondary roller. This one's activated and locks upon release. And then another arm. And then to control it all, use up and down. So you can use all 3 arms, or each one singularly, depending on what you're changing and what your requirements are for each tyre. This one's got a nice quick clamp as well as a screw-in adjustment as well, so you can release and it'll pop up, or you can get it down nice and quick. With the demount head comes standard with protectors. To lock it in, it's just a matter of pressing the trigger, so that locks the whole arm in nice and tight. You've also got another screw here on the side which prevents movement again. The upright itself is 2 square hollows welded together, which prevents as much movement as possible. Tank on the back there for the blast inflation. Comes standard with your pressure gauge, regulator and boiler and water separator. You've got a sight glass here for the water, and then another one here for the oil, and just fill up the oil through here. And that's our GT889N.